today we are here. This is the 2nd of the July, and yeah, the customer, they report us for leaking the air condition. Yeah, like the last time when I came here, I refilled it with the gas. I checked everything. I know it was a leak from here orifice. I changed it, but after 2 days they report me, say, oh, it's still problem. We came back here, I find it out there is a leak again, and I never seen this one in my life. This is a fitting here. Oh my god, how the guy they did it. This is a pipe fitting. He used it for like the copper pipe, for like the water. The maximum is 1 bar. For air condition it's like the 15 bar. I don't know how the guy they did it like this one with the fitting, like the water fitting. This is like this.